not a machine gun, it's just a semi.
This is my first time here. I'm down in Savannah. Retired military teaching actor and I'm just a huge fan of his.
One of our
Really good.
waffle sauce. Well, I'll shoot you a text once you get it ready. Somewhere you want to perform. And release. Good. Hard pull. Woo! Hard pull. Hard pull.
I'm no great videographer, but I think I got it.
Dude, man, you're doing me a favor. I don't mind. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
So you guys are planning on bringing these back eventually?
Yeah. So we're working on getting them back in, and next year, hopefully by the end of next year, but possibly it might be 2025. We'll have a Glock mag adapter as well, which just to kind of move it into the 21st century. But we're going to try to get in some of the original adapters with the mag. So damn expensive is the problem because it's stainless steel, and they got to be spot welded. It's pretty much an Uzi mag, but it's been spot welded on the back for the mag release.
I see.
And it's just expensive stuff. But we're gonna try to bring in some, but yeah, 9mm is definitely coming back, along with a couple other calibers. So it's just yeah, we got big plans. We got big plans.